If you are watching this invitation-only video, then you are in the right place. We are Surge365, the new, exciting, proven home-based business that is positioned to be the next big thing. And if you like travel and like making money, then you will love this company and opportunity. Founded in 2015, this dynamic company is making waves in the world's largest industry, travel. A market that is fun, exciting, and easy because virtually every single person you know travels or wants to travel, right? Exactly. That's what makes this so easy and profitable because the market is huge. And if you are watching this video, it means you get it, are smart, and keeping your business options open. Perfect. Now, let us show you how to make some real part-time or even full-time income through Surge365. The best part? We have multiple ways to earn. The first way is through our amazing proprietary Vortex technology. This is probably the easiest and simplest way to earn, with no selling or recruiting required. When you join us, you will get your very own version of the Vortex branded to you. Your job? Share it with the world. On social media, over the phone, on business cards, even on billboards. And when they book a vacation, a cruise, or even just a car rental, you get paid. The bigger the trip, the bigger the possible payday. And it doesn't matter where they live, because the Vortex works almost anywhere. They buy, you earn. It's that simple. And here's the best part. These aren't no-name or off-brand hotels, resorts, and cruises. These are the household names they are already booking. The same hotel, the same beach, the same sand on the beach. They just get to go cheaper, and you get to make money. Perfect! And if you choose our Platinum offer, you also get to earn free vacations with our proprietary vacation vault. The second way people earn income is by activating their personal travel agency. That's right, because when you join Surge365, you also get access to a fully functioning, licensed, and accredited travel agency. Now, with just a few simple, easy trainings, you can start to book groups, tours, cruises, even destination weddings, and earn big bucks. Again, no selling or recruiting is necessary. Simply help people with those big, important trips and vacations. As a matter of fact, one of our agents just put together a group tour to the Holy Land for her church, and she earned more than $10,000 in commission. Amazing, right? The next way to earn income is by simply sharing the proven Surge business model. Think about it. When people hear about the Vortex, they are probably going to want to start their own business, right? And just like someone introduced you to Surge, you have the ability to do the same as a Surge365 Business Associate or SBA. So when you decide to share the business concept with a few others through videos and tools just like this from your cell phone, you get paid. It starts with easy-to-earn, unlimited $1,000 bonuses and goes up from there. $10,000 bonuses, a company car, a monthly lifestyle bonus, even a luxury car, Rolex, and even the industry's most outrageous award, the $1 million bonus. Look, the founders of this company have experience and a proven track record. They generated over $3 billion in travel sales. They have paid out almost 50,000 $1,000 bonuses. They have handed out 6 $1 million bonuses. And that was all before the Vortex. And because you are watching this video, you have the opportunity to get involved now, just as momentum is starting to take place. And the best part? You aren't alone. We have all the training, tools, and guidance you need to earn as you learn. We will work around your schedule, as fast or as slow as you want.
The Vortex is a game changer.
This is exactly what excitement I was looking for, and along with it comes the best business opportunity.
I tell you what, it's going to take the world by storm. So people are excited about traveling more and paying less. But now even those people who aren't traditional network marketers can make so much money.
It just opens up so many opportunities, so many doors. There's way too many people that are broke, and we have a good answer for that.
I celebrated my 10-year anniversary in travel on the 21st, just a few days ago, and I've never seen anything like it.
This is what we have been waiting for.
Great things are about to happen.
We love the Vortex.
The travel industry will absolutely change. It's done.
This is what you've been looking for. Contact the person who shared this video with you and tell them you want to know more. People just like you are having massive success. This is the next big thing. Whatever you do, don't miss this one.